Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the next policy, that is monetary policy, which are taken by the RBI to correct deficit demand and excess demand. All of you know what is the meaning of excess demand and deficit demand. As I told you, deficit demand when there is a lower money supply in the economy, and when higher money supply in the economy, in that condition we are facing the problem of excess demand. So how to correct deficit demand and excess demand in the economy? Fiscal policy we have already discussed. Today we are going to discuss monetary policies, which are taken by the RBI to correct excess demand and deficit demand in the economy. The first component which we are going to discuss, that is bank rate and repo rate. I explained you these all rates in chapter 6 banking. What is the meaning of bank rate and repo rate? At which rate commercial banks takes loan from RBI? At which rate commercial bank take loan from the RBI? That is known as bank rate and repo rate. When there is excess demand in the economy, in that condition RBI higher the bank rate, so that there will be the cost of borrowings will be higher. Clear? When there is excess demand in the economy, in that condition what RBI do? RBI increases the bank rate and repo rate, so that the cost of the borrowings will be increases. Due to increase the cost of the borrowings, commercial bank takes less credit from the RBI. It means they are demanding less credit from the RBI. When they are taking less credit, in that condition they have a less liquidity with the commercial bank. Due to the less liquidity with the commercial bank, they are giving less amount to the public. So because of this reason, ultimately money supply will be decreases in the economy, and due to decrease of money supply in the economy, excess demand will be corrected. At the time of deficit demand, just vice versa, at the time of deficit demand, RBI lowers the bank rate, so that cost of the borrowings will be decreases. So when the cost of the borrowings will decreases, demand of credit will increase. In that condition, commercial bank take more and more fund, and when they are getting more and more fund, they are taking more and more loan from the RBI. Due to this reason, they are more fund with the commercial bank. So in that condition, they are giving more and more borrowings to the public. Because of this reason, more and more borrowings they are given, money supply will increase in the economy. When money supply will increase in the economy, definitely aggregate demand will be increases. Clear? Now the second we have taken reverse repo rate. What is the meaning of reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate, in which commercial bank parks their extra fund with RBI. When commercial bank parks their extra fund with RBI, it means they are depositing their extra fund with RBI. So at the time of excess demand, what government is doing? RBI is hiring reverse repo rate. RBI is hiring higher reverse repo rate. In this condition, lesser fund used for CRR. How? Because when the RBI is going to give them a higher reverse repo rate, it means they are giving higher rate of interest to the commercial bank. In that condition, commercial bank deposited their higher and higher amount with the bank. So less liquidity left with the commercial bank, less amount left with the commercial bank. When commercial bank has a less amount, So in that condition, credit creation fund, for the credit creation process, fund will be lesser. When there will be the less liquidity in the economy, definitely purchasing power will be the less, and when purchasing power will be the less, demand will be automatically less and inflation can be corrected. Next, when deficit demand in the economy, in that condition, what RBI is doing? RBI is lowering the reverse repo rate. RBI lowers the reverse repo rate. When RBI is lowered the reverse repo rate, in that condition, less fund power by the commercial bank with RBI. When bank gives the less in rate of interest, definitely we are going to take a less, we are going to deposit less and less amount with the bank. Same with the commercial bank. When commercial bank is going to get less rate of interest, reverse repo rate, it means when commercial bank parks their extra fund with RBI, at which rate? In that condition, when RBI lowers the reverse repo rate, in that condition, what happen? Commercial bank parks their extra fund with the RBI. So in that condition, commercial bank have higher fund with them. So when commercial bank have a higher fund, so in that condition, they have a more and more fund available for credit creation process. They are giving more and more loan to the public. When they are giving a more and more loan to the public, in that condition, money supply will be increases in the economy as well as demand will be increases. By this way, they are correcting deficit demand. Now we are going to discuss next, that is CRR. CRR. Now the next is open market operation. What is the meaning of open market operation? When RBI purchase and sale of security in the open market. So through this way, RBI can also control the money supply in the economy. At the time of excess demand, all of you know that is higher money supply in the economy. When there are higher money supply in the economy, in that condition, RBI sold their securities in the market. When RBI sells security in the market, in that condition, decreases the liquidity with the public. So public left less amount with them. Due to decrease the liquidity or less amount, purchasing power will decrease of the public. When the purchasing power will decrease, ultimately aggregate demand will be shrink or fall. Clear? And the vice versa at the time of deficit demand. When there is deficit demand, in that condition, money supply is less. So because of this reason, at the time of deficit demand, RBI purchase security from the market. When RBI purchase security from the market, in that condition, public has increases the liquidity. It means public has received the funds from RBI by selling their securities. So in that condition, higher liquidity increases the purchasing power, and through increasing the purchasing power, AD will also increase. Clear? Next, that is CRR, cash reserve ratio. I told you what is the meaning of cash reserve ratio in chapter 6. What is the meaning of cash reserve ratio? The percentage which is calculated on total deposit, total demand deposit, which is capped with the RBI. Commercial bank has to calculate a fixed percentage on total demand deposit, which has to be capped with RBI. So when there is increase, there is excess demand, in that condition, what happens? RBI increases the CRR. RBI increases the rate of CRR, so that they are less fund available with the commercial bank for money creation, because they are depositing higher amount with RBI. So because of this reason, lesser fund available with the commercial bank for money creation process. When they have less fund available for money creation process, they are giving a less and less credit to the public. Because of this reason, money supply decreases, again AD fall. Clear? Next है SLR, statutory liquid ratio. That is also calculated on total demand deposit of the commercial bank in form of liquid assets. In form of liquid assets, which if it is increases, it means commercial bank has to cap higher deposit with them. It means because of this reason, again lesser fund will be available for money creation process. Due to the lesser fund available for money creation process, definitely less amount has to be given to the public as a loan. And when less amount is to be given to the public as a loan, in that condition AD shrink, AD falls. Clear? That was the measures were taken by the RBI to correct excess demand and deficit demand. Vice versa of that, at the time of deficit demand, definitely RBI is going to purchase securities from the market. At the time of CRR, if you are going to talk about CRR, when there is a deficit demand, in that condition they are going to decrease the CRR rate, and if there is deficit demand, SLR will be the decreases. When SLR will be decreases, then less percentage will be calculated on total demand deposit. It means the deposit which has to be commercial bank has to be capped, that will be the less. So higher fund available for money creation. Higher fund will be available for money creation. It means higher the credit in the market, and when there will be the higher credit available for the for public, so in that condition aggregate demand will be increases. By this way, RBI is going to correct deficit demand and excess demand, that is known as a monetary policy. Clear? Thank you for today.